Hey YouTube, this is Carrie scrapping for a dart. Quick video. It's Monday. I went to work and a friend of mine was doing some remodeling this past weekend, and he brought me a bunch of stuff. I got about a part of a truckload here of this baseboard heaters. I've showed you these before, like a year ago in a different video, but sometimes I get these. These are cool because not only they're pretty heavy, but inside this is all aluminum. So, and then inside the aluminum you got the wiring, so you got to pull out the wiring, and then you can take all this in as clean sheet aluminum. So there's quite a bit of that here. There's some smaller units. I'm not sure exactly what that is over there. It's pretty old looking. It's got a filter in it of some kind. Sorry, it's dark. Also, there's this door. They were replaced. The door is steel. It's gonna have to go as tin though because it's filled in the middle. I'm not going to pull all the insulation out of it, but remember to take your knobs off because they're covered in a sheet, kind of a sheet brass. You have to peel it off, but if you want to put that in with your brass, you can. That sticks there. It must be some steel, but I know that top piece is brass. So you want to pull those off. And also, my brother-in-law last weekend gave me a bunch more light ballasts. These are really old, from the 60s. I'm not sure where you got them. But I sorted them out. The top bin here is all non-PCB, which means I can legally scrap them. There's a box on the bottom there. It's got some that are not marked non-PCB, so I'm gonna have to take those as hazardous waste to my landfill area. Next time I go, they have an area there for hazardous waste that they take for free, so I'll take that then. And then there's just another shot of some of the computers and stuff I got from my last load the weekend before this. So anyway, I got a lot to work on, a bunch of laptops. Lots of stuff to go through. I don't know if I ever showed you all the wiring I got, but I got this 30-gallon trash can out here, completely full, all the way to the ground, and then I got this bin here full. And these things are heavy. I mean, there's well over 150 pounds of wire there. And then there's a few other things here that I just stack up some stuff so I can work on it later. Flat screens, I take these in, donate them now because they're not worth taken apart, because they're considered hazardous now in my area, so I got to donate them to have a record that I got rid of them properly. And this bin here is all full of those Cisco foams, those foam boards that I showed you in a couple videos ago. But anyway, this is really heavy too. It's probably 75 pounds. So my yard buys this stuff, and I also have a private buyer that pays a little bit more, but for convenience sometimes I just take it to my yard to get rid of it fast. So anyway, that's pretty much it for now. Hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe. Take care.